go here, okay? If your knees don't bend so well, okay? Go like this. So you protect yourself a little bit, okay? And in case he's striking with this, you may try to do something, okay? And then go like, ah! Okay, because you remain open. You may score a point, but he hits you after, break your nose. No good. Okay? Last point on tournament. Game over. So, okay? Either move back or okay? Those two things. And if you go down and up, okay? So you change level. Your center of gravity go low. Okay? And his Zamitsuki always, when he wants to do it fast, his body goes sideways. So you cannot aim here for the front, okay? Because he will rotate. So you must aim here for the side. And here, I can touch him, he can't touch me. It's the end of my reach, but end of his reach also. Here, not here. Here it will slide. I will go directly to his punch with my head. Okay, don't do it. Okay, because body moves like this when you do Kizamitsuki, sideways. Here you cannot strike because here is nothing. You actually strike here, where is the elbow before he begins. Okay? Open. Good. Okay? Okay, so this is this one. One. The second one, a bit more difficult. So one, and I go sideways. Okay? This is okay, go with kicking. Okay? I want one. So I slide in and rotate slightly. He miss, I hit. And this is applied if he is bigger than me. Okay? You see that? It's a problem. Right? It's a big problem. If the guy is bigger than you, if you go here, he will just punch you and score you and get a point, right? You go sideways. He go front, you go side. You score, he gets hit. Good. Okay? Kaisabari. Okay, so circling. This one is circling, slide and circling like this only. This one is like this. So you know a ball fight. Okay? Like a tornado on an arena. This is the idea. The bigger the guy is, he punched himself with your fist. Fine, right? Here. And you're safe, okay? Because you change the angle. This is the second one, okay? The third one you block, okay? And then you block and make the stance a bit shorter. You block, and you glue together, block and kick, okay? Not separate, but one, okay? You see it? Fast. Not one, we get in position two. It's good for basic training, okay? When you rotate, your kick is half away already done, because the hip rotates, then the knee goes, then the foot goes, right? So it can be touched up together. Okay, so free defense. Keep doing Kizamitsu. Okay, and then him. You may go to the head if you like, but control. Okay, see? Ah! Okay, I didn't knock him out. Okay, it will be fast though. Okay, and this is high class kicking. Okay, if I go like this, you know, there's turns. This was his turn, then this is my turn. It won't work. I would have to be incredibly fast, okay? Not like possible. Okay, again from the beginning. Okay, like this. This, if you make it a little bit shorter, easier to rotate. Okay? So Martialartstraining is a basic one. Okay, the highly used in kumite. So like this, one, okay, one, almost one movement, block and counter, right with right. Okay, this down, circle, okay, back, block, combined with a kick. Go. That ideally, you see, it's like he's going back and forward, right? Okay, one. Go fast. Go faster. Go fast. Okay, so you should kick him before he go back. Maybe from this side. Okay, and it should be smooth and relaxed like this. Shouldn't be, you shouldn't go. This is easy to defend. Okay, go. Spin. Try.